Welcome. It is currently estimated that over 9 million Americans have been diagnosed with dysphagia. The Lions Healthcare team is committed to helping train food service associates on proper thickening procedures to meet IDDSI guidelines. So let's get started. On behalf of the entire healthcare team at Lions Magnus, along with our partners at Pineapple Academy, I hope you found this instructional video to be a valuable training tool for your food service staff. To learn more, please visit our website at lionsreadycare.com.